This is the most hated part of camper life. Coming to that black tank, pull that skeet off valve. Ooh, you better just run, cause that junk gonna be stinking, boy. Lord have mercy. What it is, Lil D, y'all finna come with me today. Have a little splurge out here around the house. That's what I like to do when I'm off of work. I don't do much drinking, much riff-raffing. I don't do no diddly-daddling, you know what I'm saying? So, today we're gonna cut the grass. Sorry about that. I'm probably cut that out. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna cut the grass. I'm gonna wash the truck. We're gonna see. And the doggone gate is spring loaded. Check that out. There it is. I'm hitting it. I'm scraping it all down. All right, let me use both hands. All right, that was the most violent thing I've ever done. This thing just scraped all down the side. Hey, you know, you stay there. I'm just messing with you. Damn it. Oh, I gotta quit cussing. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I gotta cut all this, obviously. But I'm gonna cut all this back yonder. Cut all that, and I move that big forward module back over there up out of the way. Then we'll be good to go. And I gotta move them sewer lines and all that up there. It's every country boy's favorite pastime. Oh yeah. He come to play today. Better look out. Better chop you up. Yeah, y'all see this. Y'all see this chop dip. I ain't even gotta say nothing. The junk my daddy leaves laying around. Oh. Not too bad. Just inconvenient as hell. All right, I got it. Got that. All right, guys, that wraps it up. I just got all this done. Weed eat it. I'm covered head to toe in doggone sweat, grass. I blew off real good with the air compressor before I filmed this. But anyway, key to cinematic mode. So stick around. So stick around. Every one of them know where to go. Look, he even knew he was in the wrong stall.
Mama, what about that one?
Correct. That's correct. That's correct. Everybody's right. So pull your chain.
She just shitted.
No.
Mm-mm.
Yes, she did.
No, I
I
didn't.
did it.
That's going on there. She just farted.
I did not.
No, I'm talking about Rayanne.
Oh, well, you know. Like mother, like oh, yeah. And what did you just do? Oh, gracious. Got a
All
bunch of crop dusting going on out here. Oh, come on, y'all. Grab a hold. When you start pulling on that, it's really going to squeak out. Leak out. Come on, y'all. Grab a corner.
Grab it first.
This thing is heavy.
I know it is.
Goodness. What's the purpose in moving this?
I mean, you knock the dirt off of it would help a little. I want to get the mat over there first. Go ahead, knock the dirt off of it. Flip it over or
Y'all
something.
need to pull this with the tractor.
That's what you two workhorses are on
Or a
it
buggy
for.
or something.
Come on. Dig in. Oh, they're running now. Must be that steak they had for dinner.
Where does it go?
Yeah.
Okay, keep coming. See this? Where, see where it says BB right here? This is where we feed this horse. Right here. You're coming to BB spot. Okay, this is right here. See here. Whoa, 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 whoa! Right here.
Oh my gosh.
Pull it around. Oh, you just dropped it on me again.
That corner.
Hey.
Hey, don't do that to her. She'll turn around and kick you.
I'll kick back too.
Yeah, if you can manage to get back up. There you go. Now it's got to come to the fence.
Dude.
To the fence. You got to close up that gap.
Can't be choosers.
Is it this one that kicks?
No, it's
Move,
it's
Ryan.
that one. Your brother's trying to get and grab a hold of that.
Watch that horse and one of them kick the shit out of it.
Are you cussing again?
No.
That's as good as it's gonna get.
Which one of
That's
these go-
beautiful.
Which one of
Beautiful.
these go here?
Okay. Now that I see how that is split, that one needs to go down there, and the one that's up at the barn needs to
We
come
get
down
it
here.
next year. Let me eat. I'm hungry. Hell, I ain't eat all day.
Is that the one that kicks?
No.
Look at Sugar.
Neither one of these shit.
Bow
Okay,
down.
fix that for me, John.
Oh, oh.
Stop Moses.
Get that, Moses. You know Moses. Old Jake. Get in there, horse. You know where to go.
Now, hey, don't be too rough.
Old gray idiot.
I don't guess I can post that part on my video.
What is she
My
doing?
boys may not like that.
Watch. No, don't video it. You try.
Oh.
You try. She's letting me. Goby. Her name's the horse Goby.
He don't like that, does he? He don't like that chain on that butt. Look at him being a smart ass. He's gonna go around and eat.
Get in this stall here.
Look, he won't go all the way in there because he don't want Dad to chain it.
Mm-hmm.
Honey, did you pour his food in the blue container?
Yeah.
It goes in the orange container.
Mm.
See, he just hit his head.
Pull the one without water?
Yes.
You did a good job on your little thing.
He did, didn't he?
Your little shed.
I got to finish it. I'm not through with it.
Dad, just leave it.
And he did all of that in a day. I don't know why when he did those it took him 3 months. He did all that in a day.
Just close
Josh, you can't video me in my pajamas, honey. living the farm life in my pajamas.
I don't think anybody really.
Hairs.
Yeah.
If I'm in my pajamas.
Just close your eyes. Do you know that TikTok sound?
Mm.
You don't know no TikTok sounds.
Boy, I got all the good TikTok sounds.
We gonna carry.
Everybody go add my TikTok. It'll be right there.
And Ryan, you come back and let everybody out.
Who are you talking about?
Josh, Johnson needs to go home. I'm gonna carry him home.
Do you need to go home?
Yes, indeed. I got work in the morning.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
You know you're going to go home and lay in the bed and play on your phone and talk to people.
That's right. And the longer I prolong this, means the longer I have to stay up on my phone before I can go to bed. Yeah.
Ryan, can you come back and let everybody out?
By myself?
No, I'll come with you. John, I didn't. Oh, did you get that eye roll?
Mm-hmm.
That she said she doesn't do it.
I want to see that freaking Chihuahua drag her butt again. Bro, chill out. Chill out. I got this. You got to roll it on.
Huh?
You got to roll it on.
Roll it. Roll it. Hold up. What a wall spray.
Are they bad in there? Ain't no way. Oh, it's show. No, bro, ain't no wasp on there. Is it?
Yeah, on the other one. Just want to leave, but I got that on.
Oh, well, get him. Get him. We are hood rich.
Or kill him. Huh? I'm gonna just leave him alone.
But you hood rich, we know that. Take your back glass, Don.
Some dumbass do some shit.
We was loaded the stuff in this trailer and we was throwing stuff just like they are now. And I threw a bunch of sockets. And yeah. A damn shame. It's gonna come out. Eventually it's gonna, I told him if he goes to hitting bumps and stuff with it, it's gonna fall out while he's going down the road. So we need to go ahead and knock it out now. Take your picture in that thing. Granny's new car. I am. All right, love you.
Okay, Josh is playing a board game and he has to try to get the squares, the shapes into the shapes on the blue platform in 60 seconds. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Go.
Oh man, dude. What the heck?
It don't go there.
Yeah, it does.
The red is up, Ray.
Oh! This is giving me anxiety.
Okay, you're close. No, shut up.
Thought you said it wasn't bad. This is terrible.
How many did you?
I didn't even get that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9.
He got 46
Bastard.
seconds.